Better make my bed. There. I guess I'm just gonna go pick something to wear. I'll do that last. Sense perfume. Whoops. Okay. Go pick something to wear. I guess I should wear this bow. I guess I could fit in this way. If I wear something cute, I might fit in better than last year in middle school. But now this is my first year of high school. Hey, Mom. Oh, good morning, dear. I'm making you blueberry muffins. Do you like those for your first day of high school? Yeah, sure. Okay, good. Just, go sit down and I'll bring it right out, okay? Okay, thanks, Mom. You're welcome, hon. Okay, honey, your stuff is ready. Okay, enjoy. Okay, thanks, Mom. Mom, I'm done. Okay, hon. Well, go to school. Bye. Okay, you can pick up my juice. Okay. Have a nice day, hon. I'll try. Bye, Mom. Bye, honey. Okay, off to school, I guess. I guess this might be it. Hi. Like, who are you? Well, I'm Gracie. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Like, we don't hang out with losers. Oh, okay. Sorry. That's okay. I'll find somebody else. She better. Hi. Yeah, bye. Okay. What was wrong with her? I really don't know. Hi there, guys. Do you want to be my friends? Like, no. Yeah, we already have friends. Yeah, little loser. Okay then. I guess I'll find somebody else. You better. Hi. Hi. Yeah, hi. I don't get her. Me neither. Hi, guys. How in the world do you know us? You have no idea what our names are anyways. Yeah, you're a loser. I am? Yes. Why do you not think that? Why? She's weird. Yeah, I go with you too. Who in the world are you? I think I'm a new girl here. Girls, excuse me. Come over here, new girl. Okay. So you're the new girl here, huh? I guess so. Well, you're old news to everybody. Why? You just are. You're so gross. You're just lame and a loser. You'll never be popular like me. Bye, brat. Oh, I don't get that. And I have no idea what that was about. I guess I just was by myself. It really makes no sense, though. Is that the bell? Must be class time.